Okay, so for class 6, right? We're on 6.
Mm-hmm.
Our homework is, which I just left that over there. You want to study all of the writings about the different types of electrical therapy that you can do, electrotherapy. So you have galvanic, read the manual, the little guide is step by step. Watch this video on the one before this on the machine and how to use it, and so that you understand that, and then we'll cover and use them for our facial on Tuesday. You should have a model on Tuesday. The Tuesday model, you should have already submitted your skin analysis video and consultation video. That's in 2 separate exercises, but if you do it well in the same one, I'll just grade it both. And then you should have submitted for the weekend, for Sunday, before Sunday night, the ingredients, presentation,
Number 5.
and then the skin types too, the skin types, type of
And
a
the skin type?
PowerPoint. Yeah, we'll need
Shoot.
to. Yep.
So that's a whole separate, that's a whole separate, like, PowerPoint you want
Yes,
to
it's
add?
a PowerPoint. I did show, I think I did put 2 examples of that one on there. Um, yep,
Oh,
because you've
yes,
been
I did,
working on it
yes. I
for a
did
couple
see
of
those,
weeks.
yes, I did see those assignments, the skin types with, like, the bubbles that went into the other ones. That was
Yes.
cool.
Yep.
Okay,
Yep.
skin type assignments. Do Sunday, so I have to finish number 5. I have to do that, that one for Sunday. Watch all the videos.
And you have to do the new video on your cleansing massage movements, 5-step, and then the 21-step. Yeah.
Sunday, 5 steps. This is so much.
I know. I know.
Oh my
But it
God.
all goes together.
It does. Good thing you extended it a week, because I just don't think I like.
No, it was
There's
too much. This is
too
perfect. Now
much.
we've got the extra week, but I want everybody to be done everything, um,
Yeah,
before next week, because otherwise,
before next
what
week.
happens? Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, I got a big weekend ahead of me. Okay.
Yes. Yes. So make sure that everything's done up to this point, and then that the number 9 and number 4 is already submitted for those that didn't do them. The facial benefits, number 6, needs to show up on somebody's who was missing. And then you need to practice that massage. You should have been practicing all along and kind of
Mhm.
know it, but now you got to memorize it and record yourself doing a cleansing on somebody and the 21-step, the sequence. And I have the video fresh from today, so that's in a separate video that I'll post by tomorrow, probably for Friday, or later today. I'll try to. And then you've got the quiz on the bacteriology.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
that's true.
yeah, the quiz. It's just 10 questions. It's just a talk through. It's pretty easy, really.
All right.
Then you're done all the big things, and then
Yeah.
before next week, because if you leave it till next week, then you're late, and then there would be the late grading fee, because then I have to bug you, I have to check, I have to open it up again, and it does take me about an hour just to go back and check if somebody did something, only to
Yeah.
find out that they didn't. Then
Yeah.
then they're in trouble. Then they have to pay
Yeah.
the late fee, because then I have to
Yeah.
tell them, then I have to check, and then it's just like I wasted like an hour.
Yeah.
To
Yeah.
do that, and it's just not good, because then you have too much behind.
There's just like you start to get overwhelmed if you don't keep up on the homework. It's like it's yeah.
Yeah,
Let me
but
do it. Let me
everybody's been
do it.
doing good. Now we just need to be sure that you know the massage, um, and yeah, just the massage, really. It's just the massage and the skin
Skin
type.
type
Yeah, the skin type
assignment.
presentation, I think everybody's been working on, and
Yeah.
the ingredients. Yep.
Number 5 is almost done. Watch all the machine videos. Make notes on those.
Yeah, and we have 2 weeks next week. That's all we have to do is just go over everything. So don't
That's
be
good.
pressured. Don't worry about your machines maybe so much. I think
Okay.
you should go over it though and watch. But,
Okay.
after Sunday even, you've got Sunday, Monday before Tuesday, because I don't have a quiz opened up yet. I'll do that probably like Tuesday or something. And then you can quiz yourself. It's mainly so you know what's the
Right.
main principles on each facial type. And then we'll give you next week the chart on each type of facial and what you use, how you do it different, so that you'll have it all written down.
Cool.
Sound good?
Mhm.
Yeah, what time? Oh, we're done kind of early, but
That's good. I'll go start on all this homework.
okay, go start, go work. You got 40 minutes to work. I wasn't even looking at the time. But it's a lot to cover, but just go back over it. Yeah, take your time and work for the next like 40 minutes and start on it.
Okay. All right. Thanks,
Good.
Kelly.
You're welcome. Have a good. If you have any questions, just let me know.
Okay, I will.
All right. Sounds
Okay,
good.
bye.